Here's another project that's coming up soon. See this? It's just a very small little ceiling fan. And see, there's a light kit on the bottom of it. And where do you suppose that's going to go? We're in a small condo, small bathroom. So yes, it's going in the small bathroom. It's not very big. You remember here, I've sealed that counter from before. And see, let's set my tripod up here. Here's where the existing light is. Now see, it's fairly close to the bathtub shower area, okay? So that's the only thing up on the ceiling. Now here you got some other light over here. So those lights are gonna stay obviously, but see that light? The first thought was, well, could you take that light out and put a ceiling fan there? Well, I don't want the ceiling fan blades to go way over the top of the shower and all that. You know, I want it out here in the middle of this room. So I want it way over here. You know, maybe 1.5 feet or so closer or further away from the shower, closer to the bathroom door and all that. We're just gonna have to see where the joists are up there and all that kind of stuff. And so that light is gonna have to come down, and I really don't want to have to start patching the ceiling and all that kind of stuff. So I may have to take that light fixture down and put a blank plate up there, a nice pre-finished blank plate, let's say. Might have to still, and the ceiling's going to be repainted again. So even if the ceiling has not been painted underneath that, we'll be painting that too, or somebody will. And so I would take and just use that existing junction box where that light fixture is, use that as a junction box, run a wire from there on over to the ceiling fan. Okay, the ceiling fan, we're probably gonna have it right up in there. More closer, you know, closer to the center of the room. Now the fan blade may stick about flush with the rounded, the curved shower curtain rod, or maybe encroach into that just a little bit. But I hope that that ceiling fan has small blades, which I think it does. So they're going to be short. It's going to be better than nothing. You know, 4 blades on there. And it's going to just throw some air in this room. Now, there's an exhaust. That's supposed to be an exhaust fan. I got to kind of look at that too, because for some reason, that doesn't seem to be working either. I don't know if it's supposed to be working off of an existing light switch, or if there's supposed to be, you know, an exhaust fan way up at the roof and it's controlled somewhere else. But I don't know. It doesn't seem to be doing anything. I'm not holding out too much luck with that. I'm going to pull that down and see right there. The sheetrock needs to be patched right there too. It just doesn't look very good right there. And with this ceiling being repainted, we'll probably end up doing something with that too. But it's going to be interesting for me to get the ceiling fan up there, because I have to get it. I can't just put it in a little plastic cut-in box or anything like that, because the ceiling fan's got a little bit of weight on it. So I'm going to have to try to find the ceiling joist up there, fish over into a metal box that's approved for a ceiling fan and all that. So I'm going to be getting materials at the store, and I'm going to have to come back here and all that. So that's some other projects coming up in the near future. So keep watching my channel and you'll learn more.